Hi Bold Bakers, as a professional chef and the host of Bigger Bolder Baking, I'm about getting you to bake with confidence anytime, anywhere. Now, to truly achieve anytime, anywhere, I want to be there for you when you need me the most, the holiday season. So I'm really excited to announce that I'm partnering with the new app, Ense, to bring you the Bold Baking Hotline. Over the years, I've loved receiving questions and comments from my bold bakers around the world, but I've always been looking for a way to connect with you even better. So Ense lets me do just that. You can record up to 5 minutes of any type of audio, from voice to music and everything in between. You're able to share it publicly or privately with your friends and followers. So I plan on using Ense in a number of different ways, including the Bold Baking Hotline. This is where you can troubleshoot your holiday baking questions to me. And even beyond that, I'm going to be sharing even more bold baking tips and techniques, and even asking you questions. So here's the really exciting part. You can Ense me your questions and comments using your own voice, and I can respond to you using mine. Now, just click the link below and download the Ense app for free right now on the Apple iTunes and the Google Play stores. Then follow me at Bigger Bolder Baking and use the hashtag BoldBaking. So the great news is there is no cost to you and it's available all over the world. So what are you waiting for? Let's have a chat. Or more importantly, let's get baking.